Hello and welcome to Saras's classes. Today we are going to solve some questions from reasoning ability. As we know that reasoning is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is the most hardest one also, as it contains the most conceptual complexity in it, and it requires your full conceptual clarification to score high in this portion. Okay, so let's start with the problem. In the following questions, the symbols $, hashtag, copyright, and percentage are used with the following meanings as illustrated below. $Q means P is not smaller than Q. P copyright Q means P is neither greater than nor equal to Q. P hashtag Q means P is neither smaller than nor equal to Q. P percentage Q means P is not greater than Q, and P at the rate Q means P is neither greater than nor smaller than Q. Now, in each of the following questions, assuming the given statements to be true, find which of the following conclusions 1, 2, 3, and 4 given below them is or are definitely true, and given your answer accordingly. So in the first question, the statement says that R hashtag J $D D at the rate K percentage T. R hashtag J means R is strictly greater than J. $D means J is greater than equals to D. D at the rate K means D is equals to K. And K percentage T means K is less than equals to T. Therefore, from these statements we can conclude that R is strictly greater than J, greater than equals to D, and this is equals to K, which is less than equals to T. Okay, now let's see the conclusions. Conclusion number 1, T hashtag D. This implies that T is strictly greater than D. And from the relation 1, we can say that this is a false conclusion. This is a wrong conclusion. Now let's see the next conclusion, T at the rate D. And by the question, this implies that T is equals to D, and this is also false from the relation 1. Now let's see the third one, R hashtag K. R hashtag K means R is strictly greater than K, and we can say that this is a true relation, true conclusion. Now the last one is J $T. This implies that J is strictly greater than J is greater than equals to T, and this implies this is a false conclusion. Now let's see the next question. In the next question, the statements are T percentage R $M M at the rate D D copyright H. Now T percentage R means T is less than equals to R. $M means R is greater than equals to M. M at the rate D means M is equals to D. D copyright H means D is strictly less than H. Therefore, we can say that T is less than equals to R, greater than equals to M, equals to D, and less than H. So this is a relation combining all these statements. Now let's see the conclusions. The first conclusion is D percentage R, and this implies D is less than equals to R, and from the relation 1 we can say that this is a true conclusion. Now let's see the next one. H hashtag R, this implies H is strictly greater than R, and this is a false conclusion. Now let's see the third one. T copyright M, this implies T is strictly less than M, and from the relation 1 we can say that this conclusion is also false. Now lastly, T is T percentage D, that means T is less than equals to D, and therefore this is also false, we can say. So we have solved 2 of the questions, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about reasoning ability, then you can join our classes. So feel free to WhatsApp us in these 2 numbers, 9836793076 and 9874822756, or you can just check our website for further details, which is www.saurasclasses.com. Thank you very much.